In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sub-account in Kucoin exchange to keep your crypto assets organized. If you're managing multiple assets or simply want to separate portfolios, creating a sub-account is an ideal way to maintain clarity and order. Let's dive into the process, step by step, to ensure you can replicate this on your end without a hitch. First, you'll need to head over to the Kucoin exchange website. It's essential to make sure you're on the correct site, so I recommend bookmarking it for future reference. Once there, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Log In. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so have your username and password handy. If you haven't used Kucoin for a while, now might be a good time to review your security settings, such as two-factor authentication, to enhance the safety of your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be navigated to the Kucoin homepage. The design might appear bustling with various trading options and banners, but we'll focus on the top right section where your profile icon is located. Click on this profile icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select SubAccount. Selecting the SubAccount option will lead you to an interface specifically for SubAccount management. Here, you can create new accounts or modify existing ones. Along the top line, you will find a button that says Create SubAccount. Click on that, and a form will appear where you must provide details for your new SubAccount. At this stage, it's crucial to decide how you wish to segment your accounts. Consider the reasons behind creating this SubAccount. Is it to separate trading strategies, hold different types of cryptocurrencies, or perhaps segregate your personal and business trades? Having clarity on your intent will help you structure your accounts effectively. Fill in the form with the necessary details, such as the sub-account name that will help you easily identify its purpose. After double-checking to prevent any typos or errors, submit the form. You will then see that your new sub-account appears in the list, ready for action. It's exciting to have this new functionality because it allows you to allocate roles or set permissions if necessary. Particularly useful if others will have access to this sub-account. You've now successfully created a sub-account in Kucoin exchange, enhancing your ability to manage assets with ease and precision. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to explore this feature further to make the most out of it. Keep your investments tidy and your trading experience streamlined. Until next time, happy trading!